salamat kasi pinagpala ko kayo ng New Year. Pati na rin Pasko. So, pareho na lang po. So, ang hirap din pong paniwalaan pero this is our 4th year doing this together. So, yeah, so who will forget our event in Tagaytay that started it all noong 2023? So, sino yung mga nandun nung Tagaytay event natin? So, that's our first event for Honor X9, ang ating Honor X9. And guys, believe it or not, this is our 4th year together with Honor X9. And of course, the year after our event in Rizal, 2024, and of course, our historic Guinness World Record event last year. Yes, so together, we've achieved milestones for Honor X9, and this year, today, we are taking it up a notch. We are putting the toughest phone, Honor X90 5G, against the toughest car out there, the Tesla Cybertruck. And today, we will discover what's tougher, the Honor X90 5G or the Tesla Cybertruck. And on behalf of Honor Philippines, we are very proud of what we have done this year, and we are excited for you to experience it as well. So today, we have a lot of challenges that will really test the Honor X90 5G. And again, hindi ko na po papatagalin. Maraming salamat po sa pag-unawa at pag-unawa ng holiday at mas maraming salamat sa walang humpay na suporta sa amin. Here's to many more years of celebrating the New Year with us. Enjoy today and good luck. Happy New Year, everyone!